Hello and welcome to the lock-in. Today we have a shutter lock and it's a unique world ball. It says it's hardened solid steel. It's certainly a hefty lock. Works okay. There's the button on the keys. It's locked to that, so we'll put it in the vise and we'll open it up without the keys. And there's not much picking involved with this. Just use a small flag and just run that down the pins. Set that. One of the pins now. Just reset that. Then all the pins are loose now. Put a bit of extra tension on and just find out which ones. That's it, it's open. That's the unique world ball shutter lock. When you try and pick this, when you put a little bit of tension on the lock, all the pins lock up, but if you can just rake it lightly and then start to turn, then it opens really easily. Only pick locks that you own and keep it legal.